Hey guys, it's Monday. It's 7:15. I already went through Keepa and all the emails and all my daily routine. Listed some items on eBay also. We had a pretty slow weekend, but it picked up towards the end. So I'll show you what we have. We have one sale on Bonanza. 3 sales on our second store, video games mainly. 31 items from just Sunday. I was here Saturday. I was here Saturday and shipped all the items for eBay and Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. So the 31 items are from basically Saturday and Sunday, I think. And last one is our eBay store. We have 13 items. So what I'm gonna do today is pack everything, and then I'm gonna list a few CDs, and I'm gonna go through some items that I have laying around here and probably try to see if they're merchant fulfilled worthy, because I never done merchant fulfilled up until 3 weeks ago. So everything that wasn't worth FBA, going to FBA, I was just getting rid of. So I have a few items that I just put aside, so I'll take another look at them. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I pulled everything for eBay. So those are lenses for camera. They're sold outside of the US. I think we got it for $1 and sold for like 30. This is like a how do you call it? Like a scenery model that you can paint, and I don't know, sold for like $30. Another Star Trek spaceship, old Polaroid. I think the expiration date is also like 84, 85. Sold for like $10. Another Limax, $10. A set of sleeves, Magic the Gathering, sold for 17. Department 56 sold for I think 15. Santa is missing the lantern here. This is Bonanza, set of 2 bestiary books. Never heard of those. Those 2 sold for 55. A bunch of horse-related books, 3 books. We got those from a book pallet. We just lotted them for I think $15, $17. 2 not great condition DS games. I'm sorry, consoles. Broken. It's all stated in the listing. Sold for 55 with the chargers and everything. A vintage Lego manual, sold for 15 or 17. That's pretty cool. From the 80s, if I'm not mistaken. We got a Hot Wheels from the 60s, sold for $30. Another set of Harry Potter books, sold I think for 50 or 60. 7 books. A few are paperbacks. Those are the video games that sold for in our second store. 3 Guitar Heroes, Portal, and 2 Assassin's Creed. So we sold this one also, Enlightened Audio Designs. This is just a remote, missing back cover. This one sold for $100 and $15 shipping to Canada, because the buyer didn't want me to use global shipping program, eBay's program. So I'm gonna ship it to Canada myself. But the Enlightened Video Designs, it's a really high-end brand. So just this little guy that weighs like 3 ounces, remote for a CD player that I also have, but it's sold for parts because I have an issue with the CD tray. So this one sold for $100, this little guy. So be on the lookout for names that they go for a lot of money, electronic names, because all their accessories can bring really good money. So this is a nice brand to look for. And I tested the remote to see if it works. What I do is I put batteries and I point the remote to the camera and press on it. And I don't know if you can see here, but I'll show you in the listing. What I do is I point the remote to the camera and then click on one of the, if you can see here, the purple dot, that means that it's working. So that's what I do for everything. So this one sold for 115, not 7. So I'm gonna pack everything here and then pull Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders, which I have about 30. So everything is packed, and everything for eBay, Bonanza, and the second store. So I'm gonna print labels, go through some things in my computer again, and probably pull Amazon Merchant Fulfilled orders. So I just want to share 6 by 4 by 4, 1 pound 7 ounces, going to California. I'm on the East Coast. So if you purchase it through eBay, it's gonna be I don't know if you can see, $10.85, and if you go to Pirate Ship, the price is $8.42. So saved a couple of bucks right there on shipping. You always gotta check those kind of items if you can save a little money on shipping. So I pulled all the Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items, and also we got another sale for about $12. Transformers checklist, which is super cool, from the 80s. It's really cool. So $12, and those are Amazon Merchant Fulfilled items. A lot of DVDs, a few CDs, 5 CDs, 6 CDs, so that's good, and a few more hero clips, and a couple of Pathfinder books, and some Magic the Gathering sleeves also. And we sold another of my the thing I got from Keepa, the beauty item that we got for Keepa, so another $20 net. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pack those and print shipping labels, and probably later we'll list all the CDs, CDs that I have in good condition. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So all is done. Now I'm gonna go and print the labels, and I think I'm done packing for today. And then I'm just gonna go and list more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. I have still a few. So we sold another item. Everything is packed, and all the shipping labels are ready. So I'm here to list the CDs, but we sold another thing, Precious Moments, for $20. So I'm gonna pack this, and what I'm gonna do with the CDs, because they're all in good condition and probably worth between $7 to, I don't know, $15. What I'm gonna do is price them all the same. I'm gonna list them bulk, just scan them and let the repricer handle the pricing. So basically, it's not gonna take me a long time to list. So I'm gonna pack the Precious Moments. We paid $1 at the auction house or the garage sale. I don't remember which I got where. So I'm gonna pack those. I'm gonna list this real fast and see what happens next. So that was nice and easy. 72 CDs. I think it took me less than 5 minutes. That was nice. Now I'm gonna let the repricer reprice everything. All I had to do is to verify that the cover is the same. My actual cover is the same as the listing on Amazon. One wasn't, so I'm gonna double check it and see where it goes, if there's a listing for it, and gonna list this one, put them in the place, merchant fulfilled place, and that's it. Let the repricer deal with the repricing. Basically, the ranks are all over the place, from 425 to 50,000, 11,000. So, whatever sells, it's just money that I wasn't counting on, because I wasn't planning on FBAing those anyways. So it's basically additional money that I never thought I'm gonna get anyway. So I'm gonna list them and let the repricer deal with the repricing. Sold the 2 more items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled. 1 CD, 1 DVD, and on eBay another game for $18, I think. I think it goes first class, hopefully. So I'm gonna pack those, add them to the pile, and probably head home. I'll deal with stuff on the computer. So we'll see in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm home already. Something happened to the camera, so I couldn't film. But I'm home. I shipped everything. I went to USPS and UPS to drop some of the packages, and just went home. So now I'm gonna deal with some stuff on my computer, and that's it. Yeah, so I just wanted to finish the video properly. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.